the market is creating the most toughest phase for traders as well as investors, because if you take any wrong decision, then this market is ready to punish you brutally and wash out your every capital, and it will destroy you mentally. So having said this, if you are following us, then probably you are in the right track in the market, because we are actually dead correct in the market. And having these, let's continue our analysis. This is our midweek market analysis video. Now the market is declining, and I have given you both these two dates, that is 16 Jan and 20 Jan. I have given you, and exactly market given us a beautiful entry in this date, and again where the most brutal thing happened, that is on yesterday. We have also found out this date where these fall should follow. Okay, and the levels we have discussed, the market already respected that and given us very nice trading opportunity. Okay, so what's next? I will show you some probabilities today. To understand this corrective phase, you need to understand how the impulse is going on. Okay, so again, this is the first probability, that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is wave 1 is completed here, and this whole thing may be wave 2. Okay, or wave 2 has completed here and we are in wave 1 of 3. Now the wave 3 generally doesn't behave like this, so this character is confusing me from the first time. If you are watching my video from the past videos, you can refer that I am always talking about that these all things are 3-wave move. Everything is in 3-wave move, but impulse is generally follows a clean 5-wave structure. Okay, so that's why I am always skeptical about these market moves, because see, every high or every impulsive move has been sold out. Every impulsive move has been sold out brutally. So this is not the character of wave 3. Wave 3 generally starts very fast and furiously, where you will find out very good news about fundamentals of companies, and everything comes very beautifully, and investors comes and they drive the market furiously, buying at any level. Okay, so web 3 generally doesn't behave like this, so that's why I was skeptical about this move. So now what may happen if it is an impulsive, if it is an impulse, if we consider these, then this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and market is correcting. Now to understand this correction, I am discussing some probabilities. So it may happen, the first probability, that this is an ABC and this whole thing is nothing but an X wave. Okay, let's understand these in this chart. See, this is an ABC Then again a three-wave move. See, this is a three-wave move. Followed by a connecting X wave. Then again a three-wave move. Followed by another connected wave. And again a three-wave move. This may happen, so that we are marking this an ABC W connector X, another ABC Y connector X, and another ABC to complete this bigger X wave. Okay, so this may be W, this is X, and we are correcting in wave Y. And wave Y generally comes in ABC form. Okay, so wave Y may come in this form. So for that reason, this can be A, this is B, and we are correcting in wave C. And wave C is such brutal wave, okay, where it does not follow any retracement. Okay, so these retracements are very shallow. Market just gone down and down. Tremendous selling we have observed in this market. So in that case, there may be you may be anticipating that some good news is coming for us, because see, this correction is in ABC, so we are in the final leg of the correction. Okay, so in that case, this is 1, this is WXY2, and we will start our third of the fifth wave. Okay, remember, we are in the bigger fifth wave. In bigger frame, we are in the wave 5, and this is wave 1 of 5. This is WXY2, and then 3 of 5 should start. And for that reason, there is a very important date also coming out, which is 22nd to 27th January, that can give us this wave 2 bottom. Okay, 22nd to 27th January, which I have discussed in our Telegram group, where you can join. It is free to join, no charge and nothing is there. It is just a free guidance for all of you who are interested in learning the market dynamics in my way. Okay, using Elliott wave and Gann time cycles. Okay, so I share some important esoteric studies which you can study by yourself to learn the market in a very different way, right? So having these in mind, this correction is still going on, and what is the immediate probability, right? So immediate probability is that, see, if we coming in smaller frame and hide it. So we are collecting in ABC. So in that case, the 100% projection of C in this chart, in that case, come back to here. So the 100% projection in smaller frame, the 100% projection was standing here. Okay, and market broken it, but immediately recovered and given a very impulsive up move. Now, if we count out these waves, this C wave should be of the form 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is the formation of wave C. So in that case, see, we are in wave, we have completed 1, 2, then this whole thing, as per the character, is looking like wave 3. And this is wave 4. wave 4 may have completed here, and we should fall another, we should create another low, this low, to complete wave 5. In that case, the market should stop in this zone, or in most bearish scenario, market should hold this zone, okay, this level 24,630, or market should end its correction at 24,823 to 24,763. This should end this correction and market may move higher, okay. So this is the first probability, right? Now what is the second probability? Come back here. For the second case, see, I'm just analyzing these all probabilities of this corrective wave, okay. In second case, okay, come here. In second case, what is the probability that this is an impulse, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the correction has started here. Now, again, see, this is an leading diagonal, so this is an A wave, this is B wave, and a C wave. So this can be the first leg of the correction, okay. Please understand it carefully. Pause the video and mark it in your chart and watch it again and again. I am sharing very, very valuable information with you, how to analyze correction, okay. So this may be the first ABC, then a connecting X wave, and then again one ABC to complete the correction, okay. And in that case, market may push towards the level of 24,420, okay. And how do you find out that it is indeed this structure? So there are certain confirmation. So in that case, this is ABC, that is W. Again, a triangle correction which can come in wave X also. So ABCW, X, and another ABC to complete a double 3 correction, okay. This may happen. So in that case, the immediate resistance for the market is this zone, okay, 25,510 to 25,396. I will share all these charts in the group, in the Telegram group, where you can access the chart and mark it on your trading desk, okay. So in that case, we should wait here, okay. So what should be your trade plan? Having this in mind, first probability is that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that case, these highs should not be broken, okay. See, in smaller frame, we have calculated this resistance and market fell down from here. So in this case, this may be one, a pullback, wave 2, where one can enter in short position with these as your strict stop loss, okay. This should be your strict stop loss, fine. If this level breaks, then wait for this zone, okay. Then wait for this zone. When price enters this zone, and if price rejects from here with an impulsive manner, then only enter in the pullback with these as your while price stops. So how to trade this? So I have discussed the first probability, that there may be a bounce in this zone, from here one can enter sell position for 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this is the first scenario. If with these as your stop loss, if our stop loss get hit, then wait for this. Okay, then wait for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this zone, and after that if price rejects with an impulsive manner, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then enter in the pullback for wave C. Okay, in that case this is ABC. Again A, B and C will follow. So I have discussed all the cases with you, and actually if you study bigger time cycles, we are in mid-cycle bottom of these time cycle. So nothing to fear about your investment. If you are invested in good stocks, then you will be rewarded highly on the last impulse of these market moves. So this is a good opportunity. This correction is actually a very good opportunity because for a long time people are fearful about the market. Now actually the fear has gone. Actually people are getting depressed because every up move has been sold out. So this is called a depressing state of the market, and market creates these to test the mind of investors, because market always moves in the path of least resistance. Okay, so market always removes noises or weak hands from its destination before starting the bigger move, where everyone, maximum people can't enter due to fear and depression. Okay, so there is nothing to worry about, because we are not, as per my view, we are not going to decline very brutally, or there may be a market crash. It will come, but this is not the proper time. Okay, so I'm also going to discuss about Bank Nifty index. So what's happening here? See, in Bank Nifty index, from this low, Bank Nifty has given an impulse, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave 1, wave 2, and Bank Nifty already started wave 3 from here, and this is one of 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and in that case Bank Nifty is declining in flat. See, this is a flat correction. So what may cook up, Bank Nifty should take support in this zone. Okay, in this area, this is a very important support for Bank Nifty index, that is 57,700 to 56,900. Okay, so this is a very important support zone for Bank Nifty index. And how these correction may cook up? It may be an A, B, C directly, or Bank Nifty may come directly here within 1 or 2 trading days, or it may play like this, that is ABC, W, again an X wave, and again an ABC to complete this correction. So this should be the path, upcoming path of Bank Nifty index to complete its correction of wave 1 of 3. Okay, then 2 of 3, and then 3 of 3 should follow. So Bank Nifty index showing much more strength. But if this level fails, then there may be some bad thing hooking up in the market that I will update you later on as per the market progresses. If it changes its behavior, then we have to change with the market also. Okay. Until now, what I am seeing, I'm telling you, and also check out these indexes which I have discussed in our previous videos. See, small cap index, which I have discussed. See, when small cap index was trading here, I've discussed that there should be a pullback and another down leg to complete, and I have marked this level for you. And actually, small cap index has pinpointed, bounced from this pinpoint level. It may come one more leg lower in this zone to hit this channel and then can start its journey. Okay, so one can start SIP or investment in good small cap stocks from now on, because small cap index is closing towards the bottom. Okay, so this should be the end of correction in small cap index, and it should move higher. Okay, and also the mid cap index. See, I've also discussed this. See, if you check our previous video, you can find it, that we have discussed that mid cap should come in this zone, okay, to take support. And so it's coming here, and so some more selling can be there in the mid cap index, and then mid cap will also start its journey. So every index then will get synchronized. Okay, otherwise if mid cap fails to hold this level, that is 52,000, say 52,000 level, then there could be a very bad thing cooking up in the market that I'm going to tell you later on as per the market progresses. Okay, so having these in mind, trade safe and be disciplined. Don't trade just randomly, trade only your setup, and stay disciplined. Thank you.